A day in the life of DTM in 60 seconds. Check this out. This is the coconut haul today. Boom, boom. That's usually the trash there, but I got so many coconuts off of that tree right there and another one inside the patch there. So a nice haul today. These are the mature nuts, and I'll be making some oil out of these later. I just pop these open, get the meat out, put it through the juicer. Oh, there's another DTM for you. Cool. Here's the drum for the music, the yoga mat for the daily yoga at Waves Yoga in Princeville. Got to have the rebounder, and in here is some books and a beach blanket, some extra jars in the front seat, Living Foods recipe guide with Dan McDonald, and on the other side, if we can do it in 5 seconds, is the cooler full of green juice. We did it.